Hello, Unstoppable Writers, here for another behind the scenes. I just built a landing page for my upcoming workshop, how to harvest your journals and turn those pages into content marketing and content for your books. And now I'm at the stage where I need to go into ThriveCart and create the checkout page. So feel free to follow along. My goal in sharing more of these behind the scene things is to demystify them and for you to get like a real glance at how to use ThriveCart, what it can be good for, that type of thing. Feel free to drop questions or comments in the comments. And let's see. Okay, so we got to go to ThriveCart. Here we are, log in. Make sure I'm not sharing my password. Okay, I'm already in. Okay, I'm in ThriveCart. We're going to go to products. And these are some other things, other workshops I've offered. But what I really want is just a checkout page. So I know I bought some templates. Uh, these are all more longer pages. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and build a checkout from scratch. So creating it's digital because it's a workshop. Takes a minute. While that is pulling up, I need to, I'm gonna leave that. I need to get my blog sales page up again. Oh, I may as well leave this. Okay. Taking a moment. And then my label, I use acronyms quite a bit in my business. It comes from a company I worked for where every single product they had, and they had Bible studies, books, magazines, everything had a code. And so MW is my code for workshops. Um, and then often I will put the price here just so I know what it's set up for. And then that's a great checkout URL that works for me. Um, I am the owner. Let's make it live. Processors, I have Stripe. I used to do PayPal, but I just heard so many entrepreneurs have issues with that, so I don't do that anymore. Set up a product price one time, 67. Limit the quantity, no, everywhere, next. One purchase at a time. It's not like something they can get multiple times. Um, okay, that's good. And then I do want to offer a bump. A bump is basically at the bottom of the checkout. I'm going to do this for 97. No, always show the bump. So I need to write down what I'm doing that as. And actually, I want to change that title because I'm not actually going to harvest your harvest journal prompt. Perfect. System. I like it. I like it. I like it. So almost like you hire a professional organizer to organize your home, you would hire me to help you build and implement to help build your after this. So that makes me excited. I love it. Oh, the design. Yeah, let's browse gallery. I haven't seen what they have for a while, and so I really just want to check out. Let's look at their checkouts. This is perfect. This is exactly the type of thing I want. I do have an image, so I want one that has just a clean image. So again, I don't want to overthink this, but this is looking good to me. I have 9 minutes before my family Zoom, so let's see how fast I can bang this out. And let's go ahead and come over here, have my harvest. And it takes a minute to load. Sale copy. Okay, here's my sales, just in case I need it. I don't need most of it here, but just in case I need to pull something here. So let's see, it is gonna let me edit easily. Flyers. How do I, there, you click the little image to select a new one, and I'm gonna have to upload a new one. Upload. I can tell I need to work on patience because every time something takes a minute to load, I'm like, okay, come on. Probably doesn't help that I'm rushing a little bit here. I love how that looks on this. Um, this is so nice. Oh, and this is one thing I will have to change later. I say a live workshop when I'm selling a roof thing. I'm definitely gonna have to change that. And I have the title right here, so I don't feel that I need the title again. Um, so I wanted to do, oh, and it is how I do it, but I want to focus on the benefit to them. So I think I'm just gonna do turn, and I don't think it, turn pages. I like the word raw pages into books, content, books, marketing content. I like that. Okay, perfect. Boom, boom, boom. Um, why is this not beginning? Okay. Make the price obvious. Um, and this is a great, if you are in one of my community offerings, if you're in my membership, if you're in Book Liftoff, and if you're in Momentum Mastermind, you get a 20% discount on any workshop I do. And sometimes I even make it bigger than 20%. So that's a great, if you're interested in one of my communities, just let me know. Um, okay. And I don't love the information there, so I'm gonna. um, it's so hard to. Oh, okay, I love that. That works for me. And I want them to know. I'm gonna say bonus offer. I don't love the wording, but that's all right. I don't want to overthink it. I am trying to move fast. There we go. Bonus offer. Okay. And the check mark, I might just do the times. Um, gosh. And this had an amazing line I really want to use here. And it was, and I'm gonna make it personal. Stop using with journals and archive. Oh, it's three. I need to go to my thing, but it's pretty much done. So there you have it. I need to change that. I don't want that. I'm just gonna get rid of it. Remove it. Coupon code, great. Oh, I guess, did I put an image? I thought I did. I did, it's up there. So here, real quick, let's see if I have my logo somewhere. If not, that is okay. I don't see that. Do I have a logo? I do. We're gonna use that. Okay, my friends, there you have it, building a checkout page in ThriveCart. Remember, stay curious, keep writing. Your words matter.